As producers of steel, we know that a sustainable steel industry is crucial for the long-term health of our economy, our society, and our planet. And every steel company has a responsibility to help achieve this. Many members of the World Steel Association have already demonstrated their commitment to sustainable development and made extensive efforts in their sustainability programs. As an industry, we have made progress, but we need to do more and go further. Sustainability is a core business requirement, vital to a company's continuing license to operate. And an ethically and socially responsible approach can act as a competitive advantage for forward-thinking steel companies. World Steel is therefore launching an industry-wide sustainability recognition program to encourage steel companies to increase their efforts, set higher standards, and make further progress. Steel Sustainability Champions. Who can be sustainability champions of the steel industry? World Steel member companies who are leading the way to create a truly sustainable steel industry and society, clearly demonstrating their commitment to sustainable development and the circular economy, and evidently making measurable and tangible impacts in their activities. What does it take to become a sustainability champion? 1. Commitment. Companies must sign up to the World Steel Sustainable Development Charter. 2. Measurement. Companies must provide data on 6 World Steel sustainability indicators and life cycle inventory data to World Steel's data collection program. 3. Action. Companies must publish a sustainability-related report and must be shortlisted in one of the 4 categories of the World Steel Steely Awards or the Safety and Health Recognition Program. The recognition is an effective tool to present an overview of your sustainability efforts for both corporate communications as well as product marketing. So, does your company tick all the boxes? If so, you are a proud sustainability champion of the steel industry. We are looking to you to keep pushing forward, to lead the industry and show the world what a sustainable steel company looks like. Don't stop there. Set goals and targets to progress further. Remember, you need to tick all the boxes every year to keep the title. Didn't make it this time? You have a year to get ready, and you too can become a sustainability champion. Stay sustainable. Remain a champion.